Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Catherine Vargas and today we are going to be doing this very beautiful spring kind of full cut crease look. Very nice. It has like that pop of yellow neon on the lid, which I just am obsessed with. Like, I just feel like it looks so pretty. So yeah, that is what I created today. I did use the P. Louise Wash the Queen Conquer palette. And before I do jump into this video, I do want to talk about the lips. So Merit reached out to me wanting to partner up with a little video, and I've just never been so excited in my life. So they did send me a package, so they did let me choose 2 shades from their new signature lip collection. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just so beautiful, nice, sleek, definitely feels high-end. Then the 2 shades that I picked out was Millennial and Baby. The one I have on my lips right now is shade Baby. It's just so nice, beautiful. It has that really like high shine, so it's perfect for those everyday looks. But I just wanted to show you guys that it doesn't even have to be for everyday. You can literally kind of dress it up how I have it right now, but it could also be worn down for that everyday kind of look as well. So I went ahead and swatched the 2 shades for you. So we have a Baby right here and then a Millennial right here. Then on top of that, because I saw this and I was obsessed, so they also sent me a tinted lip oil. I went ahead and chose mine in the shade Al Naturel, and this is what it looks like. This is what I have on top of the Baby shade as well, to give me that really luscious kind of high gloss that I have on. So yes, that is the lip combo. There are other products that they did send me that I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys in other videos. I did pick out some of the cream blushes because I am obsessed with cream blushes, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them in other videos. And I do have an affiliate link that I'm gonna go ahead and leave down below, just in case you guys wanted to shop and save some money, stuff like that. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that down below. So that is everything. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe per usual, and let's just jump right into this look. Alright guys, so we are starting off by taking the shade Let's Play. You guys see that I have my little tape here to help me out. And I'm just going to build this shade until I'm happy with the color payoff. And then I am using my little JH40 brush here. Now I'm going to take the shade Fun and Games. And I'm using the same brush because I'm just going to lay down the shade first. I'm kind of putting it a little bit on top of the Let's Play and then a little bit above it. Then the last shade is the shade Rule Breaker, and I'm using a more fluffier brush to go ahead and smoke this shade out and blend the Fun and Game shade. Now I'm going to go into each one of the shades and just blend them better to one another and kind of just take the purple higher, because sometimes it's not as high as it needs to be when I cut my crease. Now I'm taking some micellar water, and I'm kind of just showing exactly how I kind of do this step. First, I kind of just create a half cut crease, then I start to wing it out. Now I'm using the P. Louise Acid Rain blank canvas, and this is the brush that I use for my full cut creases. I got this at Michael's. It's very flat and perfect for looks like this. Then I start off by doing the inner corner first. You guys are going to see that I kind of stop and blended the inner corner first. This is a very important step, or else it will not look as sharp in the inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and just wing this out. I kind of left exactly how I do these types of looks here. Then I'm taking like a baby pencil brush and I kind of go back in with the shades and make sure that I can get it as sharp as it needs to be. Now I'm taking the shade King Slayer, and this is going to be put all over this full cut crease. It's kind of like the star of the show. I am in love with the shade. Then I go back in with the pencil brush to kind of define the little wing that I did. I went ahead and did some mascara. I used the Item Beauty mascara. Then I'm going in with the Professional Now I'm also going in with the professional spray because I really want to get that really poreless look effect. For foundation, I'm going with the Stay Naked in 50 WY. This is really my going out foundation. It makes my skin look poreless and flawless. Then for contour and bronzer, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Tantour in Light. I'm using an e.l.f. sculpting brush here to help me kind of place this where I want it to be. Then I'm using a e.l.f. stippling brush to go ahead and blend it out. This blends out so easy, by the way. I had no trouble whatsoever. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in 27S and just putting it under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin, and it does an amazing job at highlighting my face. Now I decided to test this out. This is the Rare Beauty blush in Lucky. I was so scared putting this on because, as you guys can see, it's literally a hot pink, but I feel like it was just so perfect for this look, and once you blend it, it's not as bad. Now I went in with the Collab powder. I went ahead and set my face. Then for bronzer, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer and just using a combination of the 3rd and 4th shade, and this definitely does a good job at sculpting my face. Now I'm taking the shade Fun and Games, and I decided to use this as a blush because I don't have like a hot pink blush to set the Rare Beauty, and it just did an amazing job at doing that. Then jumping back to the eyes, I'm taking the shade Grandmaster, Fun and Games, and Rule Breaker, and just doing the same thing that I did on my lid. I took a combination of the LA Girl Pro Screamin' and then ColourPop gel liner and frosting to create this kind of neon-y yellow for the waterline. Then I did some bottom mascara. Now I'm taking KKW New number 2. And I'm using the Merit Signature Lipstick in Baby. Then to top it off, I'm taking the Merit Lip Oil in Al Natural. Then this will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!